Hello my friends, welcome in my channel GS Knowledge Industry. In this video, we will discuss most 25 GK of political science, which are very important for the all competitive examination. So my friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more and more GK in English. This channel always provides all kind of GK, all kind of competitive GK in English. So my friends, subscribe my channel to get more and more GK in English. So let's start without delay. The first question is, in which day Panchayati Raj Divas is celebrated in India? Option A 23 April, option B 24 April, option C 25 April, option D 26 April. So here the correct answer is option B 24 April, right? In which day Panchayati Raj Divas is celebrated in India? 24 April. 2 number question is, who is the first citizen of India? Option A President, option B Prime Minister, option C Chief Justice, option D Home Minister. So here the right answer is option A President. President is the first citizen of India. 3 number question is, first Rajya Sabha was constituted in days. When the first Rajya Sabha was constituted in India? Option A 1950, option B 1951, option C 1952, option D 1953. So here the correct answer is option C 1952. In 1952, the first Rajya Sabha was constituted in India. 4 number question is, who can pardon a death sentence? Option A President, option B Prime Minister, option C Home Minister, option D Chief Justice. So here the correct answer is option A President, right? President can pardon death sentence. 5 number question is, who was the first Foreign Minister of India? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option B Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, option C Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, option D not the above. So here the correct answer is option B Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, right? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Foreign Minister of India. 6 number question is, Supreme Court was established in which year? Option A 1950, option B 1951, option C 1952, option D 1953. So here the correct answer is option A 1950, right? Supreme Court was established in India in 1950. 7 number question is, who signs on 1 rupee currency note in India? Option A President of India, option B Finance Minister of India, option C Finance Secretary of India, option D Governor of RBI. So here the right answer is option C Finance Secretary of India. Who signs on 1 rupee currency note in India? Finance Secretary of India. 8 number question is, who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Option A President, option B Vice President, option C Prime Minister, option D Home Minister. So here the right answer is, who is the right answer? Option B is the right answer, okay? Vice President. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Vice President is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. 9 number question is, who is the executive head of India? Option A President, option B Prime Minister, option C Home Minister, option D all the above. So here the correct answer is, which is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer, right? Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the executive head of India, but President is nominal head of India. Also, Prime Minister is known as real head, right? 10 number question is, according to which article President can pardon a death sentence? Option A Article 70, option B Article 71, option C Article 72, option D Article 73. So here the correct answer is option C. Option C is the right answer, okay? Article 72. According to Article 72, the President can pardon a death sentence. 11 number question is, who is the executive head of the state? Option A governor, option B chief minister, option C president, option D prime minister. So here the right answer is option B chief minister, right? Chief minister is the executive head of the state. 12 number question is, who is the constitutional head of state? Option A president, option B prime minister, option C governor, option D chief minister. So here the right answer is option C governor. Governor is the constitutional head of state, but chief minister is executive head of state. 13 number question is, what is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? Option A 245, option B 250, option C 252, option D 255. So here the right answer is option B 250, right? What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. 14 number question is, what is the minimum strength of Lok Sabha? Option A 545, option B 500, option C 552, option D 555. So here the right answer is, which is the right answer? Option C is the right answer. Okay, 552. What is the minimum strength? What is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha? 552. 15 number question is, the idea of national emergency in India was taken from which country's constitution? The idea of national emergency in India was taken from which country's constitution? Option A Germany, option B USA, option C Canada, option D Japan. So here the correct answer is option A Germany. The idea of national emergency in India was taken from Germany constitution. 16 number question is, who is the chairman of Lok Sabha? Option A president, option B vice president, option C prime minister, option D speaker. So here the right answer is option D speaker of Lok Sabha, right? Who is the chairman of Lok Sabha? Speaker is chairman of Lok Sabha. 17 number question is, the system of judicial review originated in where? The system of judicial review originated in where? Option A USA, option B Germany, option C Japan, option D Canada. So here the correct answer is option A USA, right? The system of judicial review originated in USA. 18 number question is, how many languages are there on Indian currency notes? How many languages are there on Indian currency notes? Option A 16, option B 17, option C 18, option D 19. So here the correct answer is option B 17 languages, right? How many languages are there on Indian currency notes? 17 languages. 19 number question is, who was the first chief election commissioner of India? Option A Amartya Sen, option B Susmita Mahajan, option C Shukumar Sen, option D GB Mabalankar. So here the correct answer is option C Shukumar Sen. Sukumar Sen was the first chief election commissioner of India. 20 number question is, who is known as the father of Lok Sabha of India? Option A Ganesh Vasudev Mabalankar, option B Susmita Mahajan, option C Shukumar Sen, option D Achal Kumar Jyoti. So here the right answer is option A Ganesh Vasudev Mabalankar, right? Who is known as the father of Lok Sabha of India? Ganesh Vasudev Mabalankar. Fundamental 21 number question is, fundamental right are dash. Option A violable, option B justiciable, option C non-justiciable, option D all the above. So here the correct answer is option B justiciable, right? Fundamental right are justiciable. 22 number question is, liberty without dash is meaningless. Liberty without dash is meaningless. Option A law, option B equality, option C justice, option D fraternity. So here the Right answer is option B, equality. Liberty without equality is meaningless, right? Liberty without equality is meaningless. 23 number question. Who appoints the Advocate General of the state? Who appoints the Advocate General of the state? Option A, President. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Parliament. Option D, Governor. So here the correct answer is option D, Governor. Governor appoints the Advocate General of the state. 24 number question is, what is the term of mayor of a municipal corporation? Option A, 3 year. Option B, 4 year. Option C, 5 year. Option D, 6 years. So here the right answer is option C, 5 year, right? What is the term of mayor of a municipal corporation? 5 year. 25 number question is, when Planning Commission was named as NITI Ayog? When Planning Commission was named as Niti Ayog? Option A, 1 January 1950. Option B, 2 January 1915. Option C, 3 January 1915. Option D, 4 January 19, sorry, this is 1915, okay? Sorry, this is right. When Planning Commission was named as NITI Ayog? Option A, 1 January 2015. Option B, 2 January 2015. Option C, 3 January 2015. Option D, 4 January 2015. So here the right answer is option A, 1 January 2015. When Planning Commission was named as Niti Ayog? 1 January 2015. So my dear friends, it was most and very important GK for all competitive examination. Thank you for watching this video and best of luck for your bright future. Thank you.